How to sign into Microsoft Teams. From your desktop in Windows, click the Start button in the bottom left corner. Scroll through the list of applications and click on Microsoft Teams. If you don't see it, begin typing the word Teams, then click on Microsoft Teams. Sign in with your email account and password. Or, if you're on the web, you can go to https://teams.microsoft.com. Then sign into Teams with your email address and password. If you're on a Mac, go to the Applications folder, click Microsoft Teams, and sign in with your email account and password.
If you have any issues, please call us at 615-499-7801.